To hide all your Facebook photos and videos all at once and to change the privacy settings to only me, there are 3 ways that you can do that in 2026. To follow, the first way is to launch the app. There are multiple ways to get there, but the easiest one is to go to your profile, hit the 3 dots, go to Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, and then tap on Manage Posts, tap on Filter to Category, and here just select Posts, Photos, and Videos. All the photos and videos that you've ever posted on Facebook will start loading in here. You're gonna just make sure the whole list has been loaded properly. Now, all you're gonna do is just go back to the top of this list and then select all. And then tap on these 3 dots to change audience once more. And you can either select friends if everything was public, or just select only me to hide them all at once. Now, this might take a couple of seconds to apply these settings depending how many photos you got. Now, the second way is after that, just go back to Activity Log settings. Right under activity you are tagged in, hit Manage Tag, and then you can select all of them, and then you can just remove yourself from this contents by removing the tags. Or maybe it's sensitive for you, you can just individually tap on these 3 dots for all the tagged photos and then separately hide them from your profile. Now lastly, although all your posted photos are now hidden but not the profile pictures. So here goes our third and final process. You gotta access your profile photos and then hit these 3 dots and then edit privacy and just set them to only me and then just go ahead and save it. All your photos on Facebook except the cover photos, which are defaultly public, will be hidden on your account. That's all. Thanks for watching.